So welcome to Krish Harmony. As you can see, this is bang on highway. Sir, this is going to be the clubhouse of Krish Harmony. As you can see, this is the kids play area, and these are the villas. Sir, this is an exclusive villa society where we just have 180 unit in 9.5 acres.
So, Tanvi, can we speak to some residents here?
Sure. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. So she is Mrs. Aditi.
Hello.
And she is one of our resident. And you can talk to her. Ma'am, he is Mr. Manoj, and he want to buy a villa here.
Oh.
And he has some questions regarding villa or something. So can we come and talk to her?
Come on in. Come.
Please.
Aye, please. Hanji, tell me, how can I help you?
So, ma'am, first of all, thanks a lot for giving your time. And yeah, Tanvi has showed me the property, and I can see the openness here, the greenery. But I have some questions, so I requested her. So, let me speak to some residents to understand what they feel about this property since you are staying here.
Yeah.
So, I first of all, I want to ask you what was your view and why you bought this villa here.
Interesting. So I looked around, obviously, before you make an investment. बहुत जगह देखेगी, but this is exactly what I wanted. I think great quality, exclusive community, peace and quiet, इतनी greenery है जैसे आप बोल रहे हो. और जो प्राइस पॉइंट पे मुझे मिला वो क्वालिटी नहीं मिल रही थी, राइट. सो दिस फॉर मी वाज द स्मार्टेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट, क्योंकि ये इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर लाइफ है, राइट. तो इसीलिए मैंने इस प्रॉपर्टी में इन्वेस्ट किया. एंड ऑलरेडी विद इन अ ईयर मुझे जो इंक्रीमेंट हुआ है प्राइस में, दैट इज़ अमेज्ड मी. इट्स एक्सीडेड माई एक्सपेक्टेशंस. सो दिस इज़ द काइंड ऑफ प्लेस दैट आई वाज सर्चिंग फॉर, जो क्वाइट है. क्वाइट होने के बावजूद वेल कनेक्टेड भी है. ऐसे नहीं है कि आप पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए हो. So
Yeah,
it's very
so
well
yeah, it's
connected.
bang on highway. I can see.
Right.
So whenever I want to commute to Gurgaon, it's very accessible.
It is absolutely.
And talking about the price which you are speaking, my main concern was the price. So I have heard that in the similar locality there are some properties in lesser price. So do you think this price is justified here?
Of course, even though I had to pay the money, right? But जैसे मैंने बोला, when you make an investment, आप क्या quality भी तो देखोगे, right? So that's what I found here, where something that I didn't find outside of this place. इतना exclusive मुझे तो कहीं नहीं मिला, right? और greenery or limited number and the kind of locality that we live in, I think it was absolutely fine.
So how you found this property? Where you stay? What you do? What's your background actually?
So I'm a life coach and I'm a trainer. And I like living in this place not just because it's exclusive and green, but आपके neighbors भी like-minded हो ना, तो it's like the cherry on the ice cream. So you have people that are from the defense background. There are people that are working in corporates. There are business owners as well. Yeah. So very like-minded gentry that stays here. And that's what you want, good neighbors, right?
And she told me that it's only have 55 villas, so I get
Yeah.
very less crowded here.
Oh, it isn't crowded at all. और मतलब सुकून है, and वही हम ढूंढते हैं, जहाँ रहना है वहाँ सुकून तो चाहिए.
And what about the amenities? Can you please tell me?
So you can see the green zone, you can see the play areas, the park as well, and then there is a club that is a part of the amenities. So I mean you have everything. और आसपास भी if you step out, पहली बात तो step out करने का मन ही नहीं करता, but if you step out then there's everything around. There's a school right across the road, a very reputed school. There are malls close by. तो और क्या चाहिए आप? ऐसा लगता भी नहीं है कि आप एक भीड़ भाड़ वाली सिटी में रह रहे हैं, जो आप नहीं रह रहे हैं. और आप बाहर जाते हैं तो आपको सेम अमेनिटीज़ यू आर गेटिंग, यू नो, दैट यू वुड गेट इन एनी अदर सिटी. सो it's the best of both worlds.
Yeah, actually, this kind of property is not available in Delhi, surely. And in Gurgaon, I guess we cannot afford. So, yeah, it's looked like justified to me.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm totally looking forward to become your neighbor soon.
Yeah. I'm very happy living here. I'm happy I made this investment because it's already paid off so beautifully. Or I to love living here, you know. So look forward to seeing you soon then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for your time, man.
You're welcome.